Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm back with a wonderful video on Zenic. Already made videos how to purchase from Geotos and how to purchase a hub. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe it after listening this video. It is up to you also. You can cross check all details whatever I'm giving, then take like and wonderful decision and getting into this project. So here Zenic, I told you 23, 24, 22, 22, 23, 24, all peak events, direct launch, official launch, everything live from Dubai. My upline, Pramod Moria sir is there. See here, Zenic Hub hardware wallet. I'll zoom it and I'll show you here. See here. So first crypto hardware and digital wallet. Dubai is completely going into blockchain tokenization process, and Zenic is the main coin there. Zenic is getting own university where MBA degrees are done in blockchain. Roadmap is very clear. If you want to know more, contact me on 96640619 number. I'm a faculty, max faculty, so I'll be busy sometime. Message me on 9346799014 number, so I can give you more details in my free time, and I'll give you full support on this because it's a real coin and you will get minting coins for 20 years. For more details, contact me. See here, the royal family member with my upline Safir, which is promoting Zenic here. It is 18 years old firm. Advertisement, everything Safir is doing on Zenic. Dubai is going into blockchain, complete real estate, energy, wind, travel, logistics, solar, everything getting into blockchain. You can see these photos are not duplicate. The event is going on there. My appliances are available there. You see here, Zenic token on Binance Smart Chain. It's very clear. I'm showing you. See here, this one. See, Pancake Swap. It is already in Uniswap. Now it is Pancake Swap trading. Morning details. These are all. Today's morning. Dr. Mark Erwin is CEO of Zenic. My applying with him and his team here available. I want to show you one more thing, very valuable. See here, the event is running. Tomorrow also I'll make one video on it. QR code, customer loyalty and communication, redeem points, collect points. You can scan, you can convert any blockchain like Bitcoin, Ethereum into Zenic coin, and you can. And Dubai is crypto friendly. Many events are getting in, Burj Khalifa also, and I'll give you more details if you want to know. You join, you like, I'll definitely help you out in Telugu, in the English, 3 languages I can help you out. I made a video in Telugu also, and this is in English. So if you want my support, I'll give you in Hindi. I'm ex faculty. I'll cross check everything. I'm getting into it. So see here, trading is going on. See how it is happening. Tokenization assets process summary. Zoom meetings are going Hindi, Telugu also, English also. Verification ownership, transfer blockchain, enabled platform, assets valuation finalized, tokenization assets offering. So this is a process which royal family is explaining here. You can see here live, everything is live. The photographs are sent by my upline. Here you see the blockchain symbol in between, so you can pause and check whatever I'm showing you here. See, established Zenic tokenization process and timeline, everything is given here. You see, established the tokenization committee July 21, white paper draft July-September 21, white paper verification October, that is this month, Okay, and next is entering the regularity sandbox December, conducting pilot projects December to January, rollout of tokenization platform prepared to March, and they are going their own university which is giving MBA degrees in blockchain. You'll get jobs in blockchain subject. So many more they are getting, and the transaction fee to send any amount is just 10 rupees, 0.01 euro. So it is listing in Binance also. Dubai International Finance Center. See here, OCS is 100 years old bank in Dubai, which is giving startup finance to different countries, already given, and is helping out Safir and Zenik also here. See here, Sheikh Said bin Hansar Al Maktoum, the royal family member. Sorry if I said something wrong. So whatever I'm reading here, I'm telling you. So Dubai Multi-Community Center. See here, Zenik Coin, digital tokenization, and I want to show you one interesting. See here, pancake swap trading morning hours. When I took the snapshots, I'm sending you there. See here, what he's telling in this, you see, in English. You can read in Hindi also. I want to read in English. Dubai conference is going to be on CZ, the CEO of the Binance, in Dubai for Zenik Coin conference is already available. See here, Zenik Coin is not even in Binance for now, but the CEO of the Binance knows this is a big, huge project. So if you want, this is what I want to show you. Binance is approaching the Zenik. Dubai, it is crypto friendly and full of business. Big, they'll do all different things. So lot of money here. Come join in my group. I'll help you out. So whatever I can do, the best of the best. So this is what I want to tell. You will definitely like my video. You like it, and message me and take fast decision. Only 2 lakh subs are available. Already 1.8 I think it's gone. So you will getting ownership, and whatever the transactions exchanges will go, that will be distributed to upholders. Ownership you are getting. You are not getting any coins, or no need to sell or buy anything. Here you are get minting coins around 6. So if you want to support more to know, contact me so I can help you out. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll make tomorrow one more video on next photographs which my upline is sending me. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good day.